I'm gonna make you my favorite refried beans.
Ooh.
Check me out. Alright, so I like to use white beans. These are Peruvian beans, and I've had them soaking overnight in water, which softens them up, and it basically cuts the cooking time down by a lot. Okay? Nice. But they're cleaned and ready to go. Now what we gotta do is put them in this pot. Alright.
Don't forget that one.
Oh yeah. Now, these are gonna be good, man. I've always made these every time you want like a little snack. You know, you got friends over, you want to make something. Alright. So, just get them in here. And right now, all you really need is a little salt. Okay? So, I'm gonna do for about this many beans. This is about a cup and a half of beans. We're gonna start off with a tablespoon of salt. Just 3 of these because this is a teaspoon. And one more thing before I forget. This is a little clutch right here. The little chicken bouillon packets. Okay? I'm gonna do 2 for this. A lot of people don't do this. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Heats up. Stir it in a little bit. And we're just gonna let this ride. We're gonna move on to the next step. I got a hot pan here with some canola oil in there. And we are going to add in these nice chopped onions. We got about half of an onion chopped. Let's add that into the oil. Alright, we're gonna get that sauteing. So for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now our onions are nice and translucent. We're gonna add in these garlic cloves. We're gonna let them cook for a couple minutes in there and infuse the oil. Okay. I press these because it kind of brings out more flavor than as opposed to just chopping them up. And another thing I like to add is a little cumin. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of this. Ooh! Well, maybe not the whole thing, but okay, let's go. Let's go. Ain't no turning back.
Accidents happen.
No, it'll be good. It'll be fun. Cumin's amazing. Okay, so got a little bit over a tablespoon. All right, and we're just gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper to it. I'm gonna let it saute just a little bit longer.
Smells amazing.
And you can do this part with any. Some people use chile, some people add chorizo. It just depends on what you're doing. I'm showing you how to do, you know, the more simple ones where you don't have to like worry about what people can eat and what they can't eat. Some people can't handle spice. Some people don't eat meat. You know, these are vegetarian friendly, bro. Vegetarian, bro. Okay, so the onions are ready. And now the hard part where we have to transfer these beans in here and mash them up by hand. Or we don't. That's why you have blenders. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to scoop this good onion mixture here to this blender because I like everything to be blended. I like my beans a little bit more on the whip side as opposed to chunks. Okay? I'm going to put all this in here and then I'm going to add some of the beans that are cooked in here with it. Blend it up. And now these beans are finished up. Look at that. Alright. You can tell. You see how some of them are popping? Or you can just be tough and just push. They're ready. Okay? So we're going to give it a nice scoop into here. But you also want to add some broth because you want it to settle in with the onions. Now we're going to blend it up. Pulse it. Alright, now we're going to add more. We're gonna turn this bad boy back on. Some oil to it. Let it heat up. Now we've added back the beans that we whipped up in the blender to the nice hot oils again. We're gonna let them cook up. You see how it bubbles nicely like that? That's how beans are. You gotta continuously stir them up. Okay, so you're just gonna repeat this process until all the beans are blended up. We're almost ready. Pretty much time to eat.
Almost.
Well, you know, what are you gonna do, man? You know, sometimes it take a little longer.
Too hungry to wait.
Wow. Okay. Oh. How was that?
Incredible.
Well, they're ready now.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, wait 1 second.
Whoops.
Finish it off. Some cheddar jack. All right. Oh my God, you see that?
Wow.
That's what you want. All right. Please don't burn me. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Nice, rich flavor. You get the onion, the garlic, the cumin, but without all the chunks of it in there. And that's what I like. I like a nice, like, you know, smoother bean dip. You know, if it's gonna be refried beans, I just don't like it. I like it like this, nice and smooth and creamy. That's what I use the blender for. It's like a shortcut, and it gives me the beans how I want them. You definitely gotta try this. It's amazing. Honey, is it your turn? Woo!
My turn, huh?
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Leave comments. You know, we enjoy the feedback. But yeah, man, feel free to try this recipe at your house for your buddies. Make some nice bean dip for the family. It goes good with breakfast too. Some scrambled eggs on the side.
Fried eggs.
Fried eggs. Whatever.
Either one.
Yeah, either one. They're great, all right? Catch you next time on Douglas Cooks.